So now that we have the geometry out in place, we can actually start to rig it. Now, a rig is just really a control structure. It's a way of controlling the geometry that we have in our scene. So we're going to use those locator items again to rig this guy up. So let's go to our Add Item, Locators, Locator. Now this one, let's go to Display and down to Size, and I'm going to set that to 0.1 so it's nice and small. And then also I'm going to turn off the pivot and the center so those aren't visible. We don't need to see those for this object. And then I'll go to the locator shape and set its shape to custom and style add shape. We're going to set that to plane. It's not going to be solid, just a wireframe element. And then the axis we'll set to Y. So now this guy is located in space and it's perfect for controlling our sphere. We'll just rename this. We'll call this our light poly locator. So we know that that's the locator for the light poly. And what we are not going to do is the old school method. We're not going to drag this sphere and make it a child of the light poly locator. No, that's the old school way. We're going to do it a more flexible, way more gooder way. Okay? So let's start by grabbing the sphere, control-click the light poly, head over here, and create a dynamic parent relationship by clicking Add Parent. So now we can move, scale, rotate that locator, and it's going to affect our geometry. But the geometry stays where it is in the tree. We don't have to have it grouped in any particular way. We don't have to bury it down under some whole bunch of rigging elements. All right, so with that, now we want to add some separate controls. We want to add controls that'll let us change the brightness or the squareness or any of that stuff. And those are going to be super fun. Let's do that in a separate video.